Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try to manifest something, it just doesn't happen? You visualize, you journal, you affirm, but somehow life keeps showing you the opposite. Well, what if I told you it's not your mindset that's blocking your manifestation? It's your nervous system. Because here's the truth. You can't manifest abundance from a body that feels unsafe. And most people are living their entire lives in survival mode without even realizing it. In this video, you'll learn how your nervous system directly shapes your reality and how simple science-backed techniques can help calm your body, open your energy, and make receiving effortless. So stay with me till the end and let's get started. Let's begin by understanding how your nervous system holds the key to everything you desire. But first, let's look at how this invisible system actually controls what you attract. When you think of manifestation, you might imagine thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. But under all of that lies your nervous system, the bridge between your inner world and your outer world. Here's how it works. Your nervous system constantly scans your environment to decide, am I safe or am I in danger? If it feels safe, your body relaxes. Your heart opens, your intuition sharpens, and your energy becomes magnetic. That's when you are in what we call the receiving state. But if your nervous system feels unsafe, even slightly, it switches into survival mode. Your body floods with stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Your brain goes into problem finding mode, scanning for threats instead of opportunities. Your energy becomes tight, fearful, and resistant. So even if your mind says I'm ready for abundance, your body is slightly whispering I don't feel safe to receive it. And the universe always responds to the vibration of your body, not just your words. Now that you understood the bridge, let's explore the biggest mistake people make that keeps them stuck in survival mode and how to reverse it. When you want something badly, maybe it's money, love, or healing, your first instinct is to chase it. You work harder, you think about it constantly, you try to control every step. But here's the truth, the more you chase, the more you signal to your nervous system that you don't have it. Your body starts interpreting your energy as lack, and lack activates your sympathetic nervous system, your fight or flight mode. In this state, your mind is not creative or open, it's on high alert. It literally can't see the opportunities that would help you manifest. Think about it. Have you ever searched desperately for your keys only to find them the moment you stopped stressing? That's how your nervous system works with manifestation. When you relax, your awareness expands. When you chase, it contracts. So the real magic happens when you stop forcing and start receiving. Let's move into the state where manifestation flows easily, which is the rest and receive state. The parasympathetic nervous system, which is also called as the rest and digest mode, is your natural manifestation state. In this state, you feel safe, grounded, and open. Your body repairs, your heart rhythms, and your energy field becomes coherent. You literally emit a signal of harmony that draws in aligned experiences. When you are calm, your creativity awakens, you recognize synchronicities faster, people feel drawn to your presence, and your intuition whispers clear guidance. This is what people call as the flow state. It's not luck, it's biology and energy working together. But how do you know when you are in survival mode, or how do you shift back to this peaceful receiving state? Let's decode that next. Your body is always talking to you. The question is, are you listening to it? When you are in survival mode, you might feel restless or anxious, a tight chest or shallow breathing, the urge to control everything, obsessive thinking or impatience. But when you are in receiving mode, you feel calm and centered, deep rhythmic breathing, a quiet trust in timing, gratitude for what's already present. You can't eliminate stress forever because that's part of being human, but you can train your body to recover quickly and return to safety. And the fastest way to do that is your breath. Your breath is the direct line to your nervous system. Your breath is like the remote control to your nervous system. It's the only part of your body you can consciously use to change your emotional state in seconds. Let me share three powerful breathwork techniques that you can follow. The first thing is the 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7 counts, and exhale for 8 counts. This signals your brain, I am safe, it's okay to relax. The second breathwork that you can follow is heart coherence breathing. Breathe in for 5 counts and breathe out for 5 counts, focusing on your heart. Imagine your breath flowing through it. This synchronizes your heart and brain, opening a deep sense of peace. The next breathwork that you can follow is box breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts, and again hold for 4 counts, and then repeat this process again and again. It's perfect for grounding yourself in the present moment. Even 2 minutes of conscious breathing can shift you out of fear and take you into a flow state. Now that you can regulate your nervous system, let's explore one of the most misunderstood concepts in manifestation, which is your detachment. Detachment doesn't mean giving up on your dreams. It means trusting so deeply that you no longer need to force. You hold your vision with love, but release control of the timing and the how part of it. Your nervous system relaxes because it no longer feels pressured. And in that relaxed state, everything starts moving towards you naturally. When you catch yourself getting anxious about results, remind yourself, this or something better is already on its way to me. This one sentence tells your nervous system that you are safe, you can receive now. Once you have mastered detachment, the next step is to feel what it's like to already have what you want. Let's dive into that. This is where science meets spirituality. When you imagine and feel as if your desire is already here, your nervous system starts to believe it's real. Your body produces the same chemistry as it would if your desire had already manifested. You enter a state of wish fulfilled, gratitude, and peace. And that state magnetically attracts more of the same experiences. So each day, take a few minutes to close your eyes and ask yourself, if this desire was already mine, how would I breathe? How would I move? How would I feel? Feel that deeply. Because you are not pretending, you are training your body to live in your future reality. And to make this a daily habit, let's explore how to care for your nervous system every single day. Your nervous system is like a garden and you need to take care of it every single day. In the morning, you can start your day with 5 to 10 minutes of heart breathing. Set the intention, I move through this day from peace and not pressure. In the evening or in the night before going to sleep, reflect upon your entire day with gratitude. Feel the emotion of your wish fulfilled. Let your subconscious mind carry that energy throughout the night. Remember, your nervous system is not your enemy, it's your guide. It's the energetic foundation of your entire reality. When you learn to regulate it, you don't have to force manifestations anymore. You become the vibration that attracts them. So instead of asking, how can I get what I want? Start asking, how can I feel safe to receive what's already meant for me? Because when your body feels safe, your dreams finally have a place to land. If this video resonated with you, take a deep breath and remember, calmness is your superpower. If you have enjoyed watching this video, then comment I am safe to receive and subscribe to my channel for more guidance on reprogramming your mind, healing your energy and manifesting your highest self. If you want to learn how to reprogram your subconscious mind to manifest faster, then watch this video next, linked in the I button and also in the description below. This video will give you the entire system that you can use to manifest your dreams faster. And also stay tuned for my next video, because in next video we will learn how aligning your thoughts, emotions and actions will speed up your manifestation. Thank you so much for watching this video.